And how many of you have seen the question paper of anthropology? Yes, some few students are there. So anthropology, how many marks? This optional. Not only this optional, any other optional is for 500 marks, isn't it? So in this one you have paper 1 and you have paper 2, isn't it? So paper 1 is for 250 marks. How many hours is the exam? How many hours? Oh, this so many are skeptical. You have any doubt? So 3 hours is the exam. So 3 hours in the morning, 9 to 12, 2 to 5, 3 hours. So writing with a break of 2 hours, 8 hours itself is intrinsically very challenging, isn't it? You have to have the stamina of writing for 6 hours, and also GS papers are also there, language papers are also there, by the way. So you have to build the stamina of writing clean and neat, and also writing fast. Many of the students have this challenge in the beginning. They are not able to write fast, or if they are writing fast, their handwriting gets messed up, isn't it? So you have to fix these challenges through rigorous practice, which obviously our course provides, and I expect that you do and follow this methodology in a very proper manner. Yes. So 250 marks, 3 hours, 500, and optional definitely is a very important thing, because you will be able to score more marks, which will have an effect on your selection and the rank that you get. Now in paper 1, those of you who have seen the question paper can tell me what is the, or what are the components of this paper 1 and paper 2. You did not pay attention to detail? No issue. In paper 1 you have section A and you have section B. Same as the case in paper 2, section A and section B. You have 4 questions here, 4 questions here. So total how many? 8 questions. Each question carries 50 marks. So 8 into 50 how much? 400. But you have to answer 250 marks. That means there is a choice. So what is this choice? Say for example, you can see the different subcomponents of each of the question. Say for example, you take question number 1 and question number 5. It has 5 sub questions, A, B, C, D, E. Fifth one also you have A, B, C, D, E. Now each question here carries 10 marks. So 50 marks. Now 1 and 5 are compulsory. That means you are expected to answer them. There is no choice here. 1 and 5 are compulsory. So remaining you have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Out of which you have to select one question from section A and one question from section B, and the fifth one can be either from section A or section B. Now in second question again you have 3 parts. A is always for 20 marks, B is for 15 marks, C is for 15 marks. Same is the case with the rest of the questions. So 20, 15, 15. So 50 marks. Same is the case here also. A, B, C. If you select 2, you have to answer A, B and C all together. It's not like you write A and B here and C wherever you know. If you select the second question, you are expected to write all the sub questions which are under this particular question. So A is always for 20 marks, B and C is for 15 marks and 50 marks. They can change any time. It is not a hard and fast rule that every time they have to ask the question paper in the same model. In the last more than a decade or so, they are following this method, which they can change this year or next year or sometime even without notice. But as of now, this is the thing. You get my point? So 1 and 5 are compulsory. Then from section A and section B, you have to select one question each. Maybe I selected 2 and I selected 7 because one from each of them. The fifth question can be anything. It can be 3, 4, 6 or 8. Maybe I selected 6. So 5 into 50 is 250. You get me again? Please take down because you are going to write these kind of tests subsequently in your course. So at that time I would not repeat these expecting that I have told you on the first day itself. Isn't it? You are able to hear? So please come forward. So whatever I am writing on the board or you think that it is important, no, please pen it down. Yes, so they will be safe in your book. So section A 4 questions you have, section B 4 questions, 1 and 5 are compulsory. There are 5 sub questions here, each one carrying 10 mark. So 5 into 10 50, 5 into 10 50. So 100 marks compulsory. Out of the remaining 3 questions in section A and 3 questions in section B, you are expected to answer one question from each of these sections. And the fifth question can be either from section A or section B. Yes? Now, the same goes with paper 2.